Rock sliders seem reasonable at first, then add a finish, a kickout, residential delivery, and you're looking at $1,200 plus. Not really an option for me at the moment, so I started looking at side steps to see what protection they might be able to provide, in addition to easing the pain that is my wife getting in my truck. I landed on the Tyger Star Armor side steps. They came extremely well packaged with no blemishes at all. Installation was super easy as well. Remove the factory plugs for the side steps, 6 on each side, line up the bars, and thread in the provided bolts. I was able to install both sides by myself in about 30 minutes. The texture on the bars seem very durable and like they will last. They also provide a good grip in the wet or muddy conditions. The construction is solid as well. It will take a lot to break these things. While they are not rock sliders, they do offer some added protection off-road. Hefty branches across the road is not uncommon where I go, and these will help protect the rocker panel should one snap and shoot up. They stick out far enough to where obstacles will hit them before the truck. Again, not rock sliders, but better than nothing. And unlike drop step style bars, these will not snag on anything and rip off. Other than the bro stars on the steps, I love the look of them as well. They really give the truck an aggressive look and fills the gap between the tires. And then the price. Under $300 for 2-day shipping is a steal. I would say well worth the little added protection it provides and all the time saved from waiting for your significant other, male or female, to climb in.